Okay, so tonight we're going to be working on problems 16 through 18. For problem 16, that is going to be that U substitution that you guys enjoyed so much last chapter. So we'll bring that 23U over. Next, we're going to factor. Once you have that factored, you're going to set these both equal to 0, and you'll end up with U equals negative 1/12 and U equals 2. Next, you're going to put these back to x. Now you'll be able to cross multiply. So I'm going to have negative 12 equals x minus 3, and 2x minus 6 equals 1. So x is going to equal either negative 9 or it's going to equal 7/2. For problem 17, first you're going to factor the denominators. Once you have them factored, you're going to find your LCD. So after you multiply each of these, you'll put them back in where you took them out from. So you'll have...
Oh my gosh, Smiley. Your braces match your shirt. Is that on purpose? Oh. Yeah, it brings up the light. Good job, bro.
When you rewrite this, you'll have x squared plus 2x equals 2x minus 1 plus 4x plus 6. You're going to bring everything to one side, or set it equal to 0, then factor. Set those equal to 0, and you'll have x is 5 or x is negative 1. For this last one, you're going to start out by dividing by 3 to get the e by itself. Now you can use that snail method, and you'll have natural log of 10/3 equals 4x minus 1. You'll add your 1, divide by 4, and your final answer will be and that's tonight's homework. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night.